As you can see, I'm in the process of building some more racks. I built a little battery pack for my firing system. Got 24 volts, 7 amps. All kinds of screws, nails. Some of the ones I pre-cut already to build some more. That's for 420 shot racks. Got the compound miter saw, scraps, some wood. Some of the stuff I built already using some of the tubes that came in the festival ball cases. Making a 20 shot or 10 shot rack, sorry. Put that together soon. 20 shot fiberglass, a couple 20 shots HDPE. Made 2 30 shots. Got some more tubes coming Saturday, and got 100 more being delivered to, see, Monday it is. So got a bunch more racks to make, but it's getting there.